Hello wealth building aficionados, this is the Mazuma Master here. I bet you didn't know that domain flipping could be your ticket to financial freedom. It's about understanding value, market trends, and strategy. We're talking about buying digital real estate and selling it for a profit. Stick around because this is your ultimate guide to flipping domains and building wealth from home. First, you need to find those hidden gems, those domain names that are going to make you money. Think of it like prime real estate, catchy, memorable, and in a high-traffic area. Tools like GoDaddy Auctions, Namecheap, and expireddomains.net are your new best friends. They list tons of available domains and have search filters to help you narrow down your search. But it's not just about randomly searching. Think like an investor. What are people searching for? What are the hot industries? Look at trending topics, new technologies, and evergreen niches. The more relevant your domain name, the higher the chances of hitting the jackpot. Before you start buying, we need to talk about valuation. Just because a domain is available doesn't mean it's valuable. Look at comparable sales on websites like NameBio and DN Journal. Consider the domain extension, length, memorability, and potential for organic traffic. You found a domain and assessed its value. Now it's time to buy and sell. Platforms like GoDaddy Auctions, Cedo, Flippa, and Afternic are your marketplaces. Each has its own pros and cons, so familiarize yourself with them. When buying, set a budget and stick to it. Don't get caught up in bidding wars. When selling, create a compelling listing and use a secure escrow service. Remember, this is a business, so treat it like one. Let's talk about pricing. You're in this to make money. Pricing too high could scare away buyers, but pricing too low could leave money on the table. Research is key. Look at comparable sales and market trends. Don't be afraid to start with a slightly higher asking price to leave room for negotiation. Flexibility is key. Adjust your pricing based on market demand and buyer interest. Negotiation is crucial in domain flipping. When buying, don't be afraid to make an offer below the asking price. Be prepared to walk away if the seller isn't budging. When selling, be confident but realistic in your asking price. A good negotiator knows their worth and isn't afraid to stand their ground. You're not just flipping one domain, you're building an empire. Create a diverse portfolio of domain names across different industries and niches. Spread your risk by investing in domains with different levels of potential. Explore different monetization strategies like selling individually or developing websites. Building a successful domain portfolio takes time, effort, and strategy. We all make mistakes, but in domain flipping, some can cost you a lot. One of the biggest mistakes is overpaying for a domain. Always do your research and make sure you're not paying more than a domain is worth. Another common mistake is ignoring trademarks. Make sure the domain isn't trademarked. Don't give up too easily. Building a successful domain portfolio takes time and effort. Can people really make money flipping domains? Yes. Take the story of a guy who bought carinsurance.com for a few $1,000s and sold it for millions. Or a woman who flipped a domain for a six-figure profit after a few months. Study the strategies of successful domain flippers and apply those lessons to your own journey. So there you have it, your crash course in domain flipping. If you're serious about building wealth from home, this could be your ticket. Start researching, brainstorming domain ideas, and building your digital empire. For more in-depth guides, tips, and strategies, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.